Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dynamic lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to enable dynamic lock screens, let's see how can you do that. Here you can see I have a single wallpaper on my lock screen and now I'm going to make it dynamic. So let's see how. You just have to open your settings and then go for wallpaper and style, and here just select change wallpapers. Once you have that, just scroll down and you will get from Galaxy themes or the dynamic lock screen option. You must have to tap on dynamic lock screen, and here just select which category you want. As I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and then you can easily select at least 5, maximum 5. Just select that, or minimum 1. As I have selected these trees, the wallpaper has been applied. Now open your lock screen and you can see that the wallpaper has been automatically changed. So that's how you can easily enable dynamic lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.